Good morning, all of you. Let us start with experiment number 3, design, build and simulate MOSFET as an amplifier. The aim of this experiment is to design, build and simulate MOSFET as an amplifier to find out input resistance Ri, output impedance Ro, voltage gain AV and bandwidth BW of the amplifier. We have to verify the above parameters with small signal equivalent model, and we have to cross check the values which we are getting are correct or not. The objectives of this experiment are: first, to build and test circuit of MOSFET amplifier on breadboard, measure the voltage gain AV, input resistance Ri, output resistance Ro and bandwidth. The simulation part we'll do on the multisim, and we'll find out again the same parameters on multisim also, as well as we'll find out all the parameters theoretically and we'll try to cross check the values. We'll analyze practically obtained results and compare them with the results obtained through the MOSFET small signal model. Now, the theory, that is the working of this E-MOSFET, N-channel E-MOSFET, we already studied. We have seen the characteristics of this E-MOSFET, N-channel E-MOSFET, in the previous experiment, experiment number 2. You are now familiar with the two characteristics, that is the drain characteristic and transfer characteristic. Even the concept of Q point is clear to all of you, and how the MOSFET or any transistor works as an amplifier, that whole theory you have studied already in the basic electronics part. So what is an amplifier? Basically is nothing but it will increase or it will raise the strength of weak signals, so that we can use it for all the different applications, like say audio signal we want to amplify, we can use it for the applications, or many sensors input is very weak that we have to amplify. So amplifier, when we are using, we are now working with MOSFET, so we'll try to understand the working of MOSFET as an amplifier. To have linear operation, the MOSFET, E-MOSFET will be working in the saturation region. All of you know now there are 3 different regions in which the MOSFET works or E-MOSFET works. They are nothing but ohmic region, saturation region and the cutoff region. So we'll set the Q point at the center of DC load line, and we will try to find out first of all the DC parameters like VDSQ, IDSQ, and then we will try to find out all the AC parameters. So the experiment is divided basically in 2 parts, that is the DC analysis and AC analysis. So let us start with the DC analysis first. The design part we'll see later at the time of practical. Now we'll see how to find out the parameters. So the first part, that is what is the procedure? You have to build the circuit of MOSFET amplifier as shown in the figure. Now this is the circuit diagram which we are getting. In the circuit diagram, all of you can observe different parameters, like this is R1 equal to 2 mega ohm, this is R2 equal to 1 mega ohm, RD 470 ohm, RS 150 ohm. So first, using these resistors and the MOSFET, that is nothing but BS 170, will build the circuit for DC analysis. DC analysis means what?